YouTube? Welcome to Fred's Full Throttle. In today's video, I'm going to remove the wheels on my C7 Grand Sport in preparation for my new wheels. My new wheels are getting the tires swapped to them later this week, so my next video probably will be putting the new wheels on the car. This will be a fairly short video, but it's going to show you the proper process and locations for jacking up a C7 and putting it on jack stands for maintenance work. The process is as follows. Set the parking brake, and since the car is a manual in this case, leave the car in gear. Put wheel chocks on the opposite side from where you want to start jacking up the car. Use the front jack point to raise up the car. Before you do anything under the car, put some wood blocks or something else under the tires to prevent falls if the jack fails. Place the front and rear jack stands under the raised side of the car. It's important to minimize any time that you spend under the car, so work quickly to minimize that risk. Optionally, you might want to use a piece of wood or rubber to insulate the bottom of the car from the jack stands. Now, gently lower the car onto the stands on the side that the jack is on. Now use the front jack point on the other side of the car to raise the car up on that side. Place the front and rear jack stands on that side of the vehicle, again using potentially a block of wood or rubber to insulate the car from the jack stands. Gently lower the car onto those stands. Now review and make sure that all the stands are evenly spaced and are out to the relative sides of their jack points. Now that the car is on the jacks, move the jack itself to a center location, usually in the back of the car, and raise it up just under one of the central locations until it's touching the car. This is additional security and safety in case something fails, and it will hold up the car. Now the car is suspended safely and you can perform your work as desired. This week, I'll have the tires swapped to my new wheels, so my next video should be installing those wheels, and you'll finally get to see them on the car. I'm really excited for that. Anybody want some pristine C7 Grand Sport wheels? I'll be putting mine up for sale online after the new wheels are on. I'll be reusing the boxes that the new wheels came in, and the tires have zero scratches or damage, so someone looking for an OEM set of wheels, it might be a good option. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, Fred out!